We have a problem with the load current. Here we have the given 15 volts, R1, 2 ohms, R2, 47 ohms. So to solve for this problem, we come up with this formula. V1 minus R2 times I1 minus I3 minus R2 times I1 minus I2 is equals to 0. So now that we got the formula, we will now substitute the given. So 15 volts minus 2 ohms times I1 minus I3 minus 47 ohms I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. We get 15 volts minus 2 ohms I1 minus 2 ohms I3 minus 47 ohms I1 minus 47 ohms I2 is equal to 0. 15 volts minus 49 I1 plus 47 ohms I2 minus 2 ohms I3 is equal to 0. So after we solve this, we get 49 ohms I1 minus 47 ohms I2 minus 2 ohms I3 is equals to 15 volts. Now for the loop 2, we have the 47 ohms in R2, R3 56 ohms, R4 is equals to 89 ohms. Same with the loop 1. We will use this formula R2 times I1 minus I2 minus I1 plus R3 times I2 minus I3 plus R4 times I2 is equal to 0. So substitute the given 47 ohms times I2 minus I1 plus 56 ohms I2 minus I3 plus 84 ohms I2 is equal to 0. Now, after we solve that, we get 47 ohms I2 minus 47 ohms I1 plus 56 I2 minus 56 I3 plus 89 ohms I2 is equal to 0. After that, we get negative 47 ohms I1 plus 122 ohms I2 minus 56 ohms I2 is equal to 0. Now let's proceed with the loop 3. We have the given R2 is equals to 2 ohms, R3 is equals to 56 ohms, R5 is equals to 90 ohms, and I3. So same with the loop 1 and loop 2. We will use the formula R1 times R3 minus I1 plus R3 times I3 minus I2 plus R5 times I3 is equal to 0. After that, we will substitute the given with the given. So we get 2 ohms times I3 minus I1 plus 56 ohms I3 minus I2 plus 90 ohms I3 is equals to 0. So we need to distribute the given. We get 2 ohms I3 minus 2 ohms I1 plus 56 ohms I3 minus 56 ohms I2 plus 90 ohms I3 is equals to 0. To solve that, we get the answer negative 2 ohms I1 minus 56 ohms I2 plus 148 ohms I3 is equal to 0. For our matrix, we substitute we put the loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3. So total all, we get the answer 900,492. In delta 3, same with loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3, but in the third row, we will use the equals. equals its volts. Since loop 1 has 15 volts, the loop 2 and loop 3 has 0. So to total that all, we get 45,240. Now we will solve for I3. So for I3, we will use this formula. Delta 3 over delta is equals to substitute at the given 45,240 over 900,492. So we get the total of 0.05024 amps. That's all. Thank you.